皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone. I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese grammars, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn verb conjugations. The topic is verb negative past in Japanese. If you haven't learned any verbs yet, please check out my previous videos. Let's get started! このレッスンでは動詞の過去形を勉強します。動詞 means verbs, 過去形 is past tense. And then 否定形ですね。否定 means negative.So we have learned that masen is a negative in the previous lesson. Then you have a masen is negative. So you add deshita. Deshita is a past, indicate the past. Deshita, another function of deshita is a desu, is a present tense. Like we have learned, 私は〇〇です。私はAyanaです means I'm Ayana. But you can, desu is a statement for fact. But if you change to desu to deshita,That means past, indicator. でした is past. So we use it here. This example is 書きません. So this kanji read as a か to write something. 書きます change to 書きません. So 書きませんでした. Repeat after me. 書きませんでした. One more time. 書きませんでした. Next one is, can you read this kanji? It's important to learn the basic kanjis if you start learning Japanese. But the first step is hiragana, then next katakana, then kanji will be good. So I will show you over the course of the video, I'll introduce some kanji. So as you go, if you come across something new, you can add your vocabulary list as a kanji. So this kanji is sanzui. So this left part, we call it the sanzui. So something related to water, we use this kanji. So oyogu. So this, how to read is oyogimasu. Original masu form is oyogimasu. Oyogimasu means to swim. Original form is oyogu. That means to swim. So 泳ぎません change to 泳ぎませんでした。So didn't swim. Repeat after me. 泳ぎませんでした。One more time. 泳ぎませんでした。はい。では、example sentences. 先週、この本を読みませんでした。You know, 先週 means 先週 is a last week. この本。この is this.Then when you use この this after この you have to put a noun. Then 読みませんでした is a grammar point we are working on. So that means I didn't read this book last week. Repeat after me. 先週この本を読みませんでした。はい。Next sentence. 兄はゲームで遊びませんでした。So, topic is not 私. This is a case is 兄. Have you heard of Ani? So, Ani means an older brother, but you can use your own brother. In Japanese vocabulary, related to family member is depending on from your side, you're talking your family member or someone's other's family member, we use a bit of different words. So if this one, Ani, you can use it to your own older brother. But if you want to refer to your friend's older brother, that would be Oni-san, Oni-san. So you see, san included the san to show respect others. Okay, so my older brother didn't play a game. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 兄はゲームで遊びませんでした。 One more time. 兄はゲームで遊びませんでした。はい。はい。では練習問題ですね。練習 means practice. 問題 is question. Then 1. I didn't have breakfast this morning. これを日本語で何て言いますか？スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。今朝朝ごはんを食べませんでした。This morning is a 今朝 so this can't read as a 今朝。朝ごはん is breakfast. 食べませんでした is I didn't eat. Or you can say 今日の朝 is okay too. Today's morning. 今日の朝 is also okay. Repeat after me. 今朝朝ごはんを食べませんでした。はい。2番。I didn't study Japanese yesterday. これを日本語で何と言いますか？スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。So, when you think of it, always verb is the last, then, so you can drop 私は part if it's obvious. So, like this starting yesterday. 昨日、日本語を勉強しませんでした。日本語 is a Japanese. Then 勉強します is to study, but change to しませんでした is did not study. So that's the sentence. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 昨日日本語を勉強しませんでした。はい。はい。This time we will practice speaking without relying on text. If you find it difficult, feel free to go back and review the previous sentences where we focused on reading and grammar points or vocabulary. This exercise will greatly improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's start by repeating after me. 書きませんでした。泳ぎませんでした。話しませんでした。先週この本を読みませんでした。兄はゲームで遊びませんでした。今朝、朝ごはんを食べませんでした。昨日、日本語を勉強しませんでした。レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。見てくれてありがとう。Thank you so much for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to all the lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more detail. I will see you in the next video. それではまた。